Hey guys, welcome back to Cooking with William, where today we're going to be making some roasted chicken. Let's do it. Alright, so every roasted chicken starts with your chicken. The chicken I have here is a very expensive air-chilled chicken, and you do not really need this. Any chicken that you can get at your local supermarket will work just fine for this recipe. Whatever kind of chicken you have, you just want to get it out of your bag and then start to dry it off. I like to just pat it with a dry paper towel just to get some of those juices off the skin. You also need to reach into the cavity and pull out any giblets that they left in, the liver, and all that kind of stuff you don't want left in. Alright, we are going to spatchcock this chicken. This is going to start by just using some kitchen scissors to cleanly cut the spine out. I like to save this to make stock later, video coming soon. Once the spine comes out, you're going to want to find the small breastbone, it should be about where my finger is, and then just cut a small nick into it so you can then turn it over, and then when you apply some pressure right between the two breasts, it will break that bone and just flatten the entire chicken out. This will allow you to completely flatten the chicken, making everything an even thickness and spreading it out, so when we put it in the oven, it will cook a lot more evenly and everything will be done at the same time. The other secret to this chicken is the dry brine. You're basically going to take salt, sugar, and MSG and just completely coat the chicken. It's very hard to over season this at this point because you are seasoning for the whole chicken, so be generous, make sure you have enough so everything gets flavored. And as always with meat this thick, you're going to want to season both sides. Once it has been fully dry brined, go ahead and put it on a baking sheet lined with some sort of rack if you have it, and then let it rest in the fridge overnight. If you only have a few hours, that's fine, but overnight is better because you can see it gets nice and dried on the outside. Now is a good time to coat your chicken in olive oil. This just helps crisp up the skin. If you have some sort of oil sprayer, that works, but I just like to drizzle and then use a basting brush to make sure it's covered, and then season it with your more aromatic spices. I'm using fresh ground pepper, garlic powder, smoked paprika for a little color and flavor, and then any herb of your choice. I used rosemary. And then just rub everything in so it's nice and evenly coated on the entire chicken. Once the chicken is seasoned, go ahead and put it in the oven at 425 degrees until it comes out nice and golden brown all over. You can go ahead and serve this chicken whole or slice it up. It goes really well in a salad, but it is also extremely delicious just on its own. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you like and subscribe and let me know what you would like to see next time. I'm looking for some recipes that you guys want, so let me know in the comments. Thank you.